Original video date December 20, 2024.
Yeah. Madeline. Who's that? What's that?
No, I'm sorry. Yes, I want the little girl. Yes, baby girl. What is your answer? Your answer is Aladdin is correct. Alright, next one. This one.
Yes, sir? No.
Alright, I give you a clue. The clue is 12 midnight. Yes, sir. Come here. What's your answer? Your answer is Cinderella is correct. Very good. Let me catch your place there. Just a one, just one. Okay, next one. Okay, this one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, po. Kayo po. Yes.
Parang palaki yung bata sa likod, oh.
Okay, yes, sir. Your answer is
Very good.
This is correct. Okay, kita.
Ayan. Bigyan kita ng this one. Yay! It's it.
Okay. Okay, next one, DJ.
Come on, everybody. Up on your feet. Let's do some house.
And what? How about this little boy? How about this little boy? Come here. Come on, come on. What is your... Excuse me. Okay, what's your answer? Your answer is... Mickey Mouse. Clubhouse is correct. Very good. Okay, this time I have a question for the mommies and daddies out there. Okay, this one. Mommies and daddies. Yes, you kuya. Come here. What is your answer? Your answer is Doraemon is correct. Very good. Get your prize. Okay. Next one. Next one. Yes. Yes, that's your girl. Okay, come here. What is your answer? Your answer is Dragon Ball is correct. Very good. Okay, how about this one? Yes,
Come here. Ayan. Ang galing ni daddy niya.
Surname, apelido. Go! Okay, sige. Sumigaw sila ha. Alright, sige. Apelido po. Carlos? Ano sabi ko kanina? Arrange your group according to your first letter of your... Nagsuswitch na kasi kayo, hindi kayo nakikinig. Sorry! Mga tito! Sige. Let's ask daw. Tama naman daw sila. Sige po. Last name po. Surname po. Pabili. O, nadadaya pa kayo. Kala niyo, hindi ko narinig ha. Sorry po. Okay. Si Mamo, nadadaya o, mami o. Nadadaya o. Okay. Mga tito. Right? Sige. Ask natin. Saan ba yung gagawa dito? Now, surname po. Carlos C. Sorry po, manina po, nag-switch kasi kayo. Ayan, sige. Mga tito, 5 seconds, go, come on. 1. Dahil mali sila, 5 seconds, 2, 3. Ako po yung host dito, no? Ako po yung mag-beginner, no? Ayan po. Paano tayo matatapos nito? 4 and 5. Yes, Sir Market. Apelido. Abort.
Nakikita mo ba yun yung bata yung may white shirt at tapos may glasses?
Yes. Apelido. Junior po. Ayan. Basta pa. Yes, okay na po. E. Victory. Shade. Okay, another 1 point for the boys team. Okay, ang score natin is 2-1. Lamang na yung mga tito natin. Okay, mga tito. Hindi po, 2-1 po. Ano ba? 2-1. Tama, 2-1. 2-1. Gusto niyo pa rin? Ha? Okay, again tayo ha. Next, eto ha. Kailangan nyo to be honest na tayo. So, arrange your group according to the number of your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend. Go! Come on! Alright! Sumigaw na yung mga tito natin. Sige po. Mga tito, ay sir, congratulations sir. Kayo po yung pinaka-pogi sa inyong hari. Sir Michael, ilan po ang inyong ex-girlfriend? 0. Birthday party po, 7 years old to. Hindi po Christmas party daw na hindi ka pa rin ano to. Oo, kasi ay nagkaka sila ma. Nagkaway pa. Sige po. 1, 0. Oh, sorry. Okay. Girls, I give you 5 seconds para double check yung ex-boyfriend. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natatayan nyo talaga, no? Sige, na. 0. 1. Yes? Sige, 3 now. 3. Ay, boys! Another 1 point for the girls team! Alright, ang score natin. Hello. Anak ko, 5? Totoo yan! Tapos lang sa akin. Ako, lagot ka. Palo ka kay daddy. Daddy siya.
Ayun po kasi, karipag-uwi.
Maraming mapapagalitan daddy sa. Okay, sige. Ang score natin is 2. All 2 na tayo, guys. Okay, sige. Next category, arrange your group according to your ready color. Okay, do yung color ha. Hindi yung line, hindi yung dark sa likod. Color of your arms. Go! Lights to dark! Lights to dark! Lights to dark! Lights to dark! Alright!
Part 2 will be coming after this video.